Hello, welcome to my kitchen. So today I wanna eat spaghettini. So making a special sauce. It's wild mushroom. I got wild mushroom from my friend from Fukushima Prefecture, Minami Aizu. So this is frozen one. I'm gonna make it about 5 different kind wild mushroom. So serve with bacon. Okay, let's start cooking. So cut bacon. Chili pepper and garlic. So today is the slice. Okay. One slice garlic and chili pepper. Olive oil. Switch. Okay, 3 liter hot boiling water, already 30 grams salt inside. So this one is the spaghettini. It takes about 5-6 minutes. Okay. Bacon. White soy sauce, naan. Good. Let me check taste a little bit. So good. So the wild mushroom juice a little bit boiled down and mixed together with al dente pasta together boiling down, so getting good flavor. So sauce is there. Yeah, I'm just waiting to boil up pasta. How al dente? I'm gonna check. Hard al dente. No time to mix together. Boiling down. No juice almost. Okay. Let me check taste. Flavor. The pasta boiled the juice, 1 liter. That. So this step is a kind of like adjust of al dente texture, boiling down together. And just a little bit salt. So pasta boiled juice already salt added. So you have to think about how many salt inside right now. Don't add it salt too much. Almost that. Check. Leave it to boil. Okay, done. Okay. Okay, let's start to eat. So wild mushroom spaghettini with bacon. いただきます。Oh, good texture. Wild mushroom. So this one is getting yellow. It's a color from wild mushroom. Good matching with bacon and mushroom. Very tasty. So good texture and flavor. 5 different wild mushroom flavor mixed together. It's a very rich taste. If you get some wild mushroom, please try it. This recipe. Well, thank you for watching my channel. See you again at a time in my kitchen. Thank you. Have a good day.